Well, I just got back from a road trip to Dallas to pick these up. Those are the aluminum ramps for the 4-post lift, so I can quit messing with these heavy folding steel ramps. The steel ramps are also only 3 feet when they're unfolded, and the aluminum ones are closer to 4 feet, so should be low car friendly a little bit more than the steel ones. But yeah, I have over 2,400 miles on this thing now. I have to say, in recent years, this is definitely my favorite daily driver. It's quiet when you want it to be, it's comfortable all the time, but with a few pushes of the buttons on the steering wheel, you can turn it into an animal. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. I'm definitely enjoying it. Just got one unpacked, and I know I had talked about doing the race ramps in the past, but those need a flat surface, and I have this lip right here. And since the 4-post lift is pushed into the garage a little bit, it wasn't really a good option to put the race ramps on it. And the way these mount is with these bolts right here. The factory ramps actually hook onto this. So the aluminum ramps, that's why I went ahead and just sprung for the Amgo ramps, the ones that are made for this lift. So they're not cheap. In fact, they probably cost more than the race ramps did, but they're significantly lighter and they're more low car friendly, and they hook on. So safety, hopefully driving on and off of the lift will be still a one-person deal, and I won't need somebody to make sure I'm not messing stuff up when I'm pulling in. But yeah, let's see how this goes and get this car off the lift so I can take it for a spin. All right, got the aluminum ramps on. I'm gonna move my parts that have been sitting on there and unhook the battery tender, but I need to grab a neighbor to make sure I don't scrape or hurt anything on the way out. I don't want to do it the first time without a second set of eyes. Well, the ramps worked well. Didn't catch on anything on the underside of the car. Didn't scrape the bumper. So that's a lot better than the super heavy ramps and random scrap wood pieces to make it work. So she should be able to get off the lift a little more often now. You can hear it took it for a nice little spin. It's been a while. So much fun to drive. You don't realize it until you don't drive it for a while. So the only thing that was making contact with the lift situation here was the antenna on the Roadster. And since I just put the stubby on the Ranger Raptor, I had the Ranger Raptor antenna sitting on my desk and thought to myself, I wonder if it'll screw onto the Roadster. And sure enough, big brain moment. No more contact. But did I really devalue a BMW by putting a Ford antenna on it? I guess we'll never know.